Hello everyone, today I will teach you all how to sign up for an Oracle Cloud Infrastructure free tier account. The first thing that we want to go ahead and do is go to Google and type in OCI free tier account into the Google search bar. Click on the first link, click on the black button that says start for free, input the following credentials: country, territory, first name, last name, your email, and select the CAPTCHA, and then go ahead and verify your email. After you verify your email, you will get an email with credentials to access your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Go ahead and save those. You want to keep those handy. Next, we will go ahead and open up a new Google tab and search for Oracle Live Labs. So at this point, you should have already signed up for your OCI free tier account. And what we're going to do is access a lab with our OCI free tier account. Let's go ahead and type Apex. For an example, we'll use the Starter Online Shopping app. We'll go ahead and click on it. We'll go ahead and click Sign In. We'll sign in with our credentials that were emailed to us, and then enter the one-time PIN that is going to be messaged to your phone. Now, as you can see in the top right, we can verify that we're logged in. Go ahead and select the green button Start, run on Live Lab Sandbox, and then go ahead and click Start Workshop Now, and then Consent to Receive Emails, and then you should be able to submit your reservation, and now you can participate in the lab using your Oracle Cloud Infrastructure free tier account. Thank you.